The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain how to add the father to a child's birth certificate when the mother objects. This is based on a reader question. The reader said, "My stepdaughter is 5 and her father's name is not on the birth certificate. Paternity is established, but the mother is just refusing to allow her name on the birth certificate. How can he get his name added to the birth certificate over the mother's objection?" So this is a two-step process. The first step is to establish paternity, with which the reader has done. The second step is to file some documents with the Illinois Department of Public Health to have the birth certificate updated. So the mother's objection comes into play in that first step. Once paternity is established, the mother doesn't have any say in whether the father gets added to the birth certificate. But the father first has to establish paternity. And this is done by filing a petition to establish paternity with the appropriate court. When the father does this, a hearing will be scheduled, and there might be a court date before the hearing. But at the hearing, each parent will provide evidence as to why they believe the father is or is not the father, depending on their position. The most common evidence that is submitted is DNA testing. So if the DNA test is conclusive, it's pretty hard to go against that, but it's not the only evidence that's accepted. There is other evidence that can be submitted to counteract the DNA test. And the court will look at all the evidence and decide whether the father has proven that he is in fact the biological father. If this paternity is established, what happens now is the father's going to be on the hook for child support, but isn't going to have any automatic rights to access to the child or parenting time and responsibility. That is established through a later proceeding, but the establishment of paternity is the first step towards that, and that's kind of the access to even engage in the second parenting time proceeding, and there will be a separate hearing on what's appropriate parenting time, what's in the best interest of the child. But even if parenting time isn't established, once that order of paternity is entered, the father now has the right to be added to the child's birth certificate whether the mother objects or not. And he can do this by sending a certified copy of the paternity order along with an affidavit and certificate of correction request form to the Illinois Department of Public Health. And there's instructions online about how to do that. It's not terribly complicated. But if you send everything in appropriately along with a nominal filing fee, the birth certificate will be updated, and the mother doesn't really have a say in it. Where the mother has a say is the initial hearing establishing paternity. So once paternity is established, the mother doesn't have any real right to block the father being added to the birth certificate. So if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful and would like to be notified of our daily article and video topics that we post on many areas of law, please subscribe to us on YouTube, iTunes, and SoundCloud. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.